In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using Nordpass, the password manager that makes organizing and securing your passwords a breeze. Let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by navigating to the NordVPN website, where you can find the download section for Nordpass. This is a crucial first step to ensure you have the right tool for managing your passwords efficiently and securely. Visiting the NordVPN site is straightforward. Simply type the URL directly into your browser's search bar and press enter. Once the page loads, you'll have access to everything you need to get started. Next, you'll want to locate the Login button. It's typically situated in the top right corner of the web page, making it easy to spot. Clicking this button will guide you to a secure login page where you can either create a new account if you're new to the service or sign in if you've used Nordpass before. Having your credentials ready will streamline this process, ensuring a quick and efficient setup. Once you're logged in, navigate to the account overview section. This page serves as your personal dashboard and is packed with resources and controls to maximize the functionality of Nordpass. Here you can manage subscriptions, update your profile, and most importantly access the download links for various NordVPN products including Nordpass. Now let's look at how to download the Nordpass Chrome extension, which is a key component of ensuring your passwords are effortlessly managed while you browse. Navigate to the download section where you'll find Nordpass listed. Pay attention to the available options and click on the Nordpass for Chrome link. This step is critical because the Chrome extension will integrate seamlessly with your browser, allowing Nordpass to autofill passwords, generate strong credentials, and safely store your login information. As you click on the Nordpass for Chrome, you'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. This is where you can officially get the Nordpass extension. Here, all you need to do is click the Get Extension button. Doing so will initiate the download and installation process directly into your Chrome browser. It's a straightforward process, but if you run into any issues, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version or try restarting your computer. And there you have it, you've successfully completed the setup and are ready to experience a streamlined, more secure way of managing your passwords with Nordpass. Remember to explore its features such as secure notes, shared items, and password health to get the most out of your new password manager. Thanks for joining me on this tutorial, and happy browsing with peace of mind.